I'm Rose.
Hi, I'm Miss Janice.
Hello everyone, I'm Lulu.
Miss Janice, what are we going to learn today?
I will talk about Lulu's favorite objects today.
Today we'll have a party in the forest. Every rabbit has to bring 5 objects they like to go to the party. Do you know what I will bring?
Piano, ribbon, flower, dress, balloon.
So we have learned about Lulu's favorite objects today. Let's sing together.
Piano, piano, ribbon, ribbon, flower, flower, dress, dress, balloon, balloon. They are my favorite, they are my favorite. What are your favorite objects? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to repeat the words with Miss Janice and sing the songs many times for a better learning result. Yes!
Thank you so much for watching. If you like us, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.